Before buying a running shirt, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Snow Elf Muscle Shirt. Let's kick things off with the Snow Elf Men's Workout Tank Top. Priced at $26.13, this shirt caught my eye because it boasts a vintage washed cotton feel which feels soft against the skin. If you want a stylish yet comfortable workout top, this is worth a serious look. The 100% cotton material is breathable and helps prevent sweat buildup, meaning you can run longer without feeling sticky. Plus, it's got a loose fit that gives you freedom of movement, which is essential for your comfort during those intense workouts. It's great for various activities like weightlifting, yoga, or just lounging around. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who hates that clammy feeling when you sweat, this shirt helps prevent that. It has a solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, proving many others enjoy it too. Now, some people complained about the hand wash recommendation, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind a little extra care, it's totally worth it for the comfort and style. This is perfect for you if you want an all-around shirt for workouts and casual wear. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle the washing machine without special care. For about $26, it offers pretty good value considering its quality. Now, if that hand wash requirement bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Under Armour Tech 2. Next up, we have the Under Armour Men's Tech 2 Short Sleeve T-shirt. At just $18.75, this shirt is a bestseller for a reason. Its UA Tech fabric feels ultra soft and dries super fast. If you're on the hunt for something that keeps you cool and dry, this might be your answer. The moisture-wicking material is designed to pull sweat away from your body, which is crucial when you're pushing yourself on a run. The anti-odor technology is a game changer, helping you stay fresh even on those longer runs. With a whopping 25,900 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many runners trust this shirt. Now, some users mentioned that the fit can be a bit snug for their liking. But honestly, if you prefer a fitted style that highlights your physique, this could be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you love to run and need something that combines comfort with performance. Skip it if you're after an oversized look. At $18.75, it's a steal for the quality you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize lightness. Product number 3, Under Armour Tech 2 Alternate. Staying with the Under Armour brand, here's another version of the men's Tech 2 short sleeve t-shirt, also priced at $18.75. This one offers the same fantastic features, loose fit and quick drying technology. If you want to feel unencumbered during your runs, this shirt is a solid choice. The loose design allows for a full range of motion, which means you can stretch your arms without feeling restricted. It's made to keep you cool, which is vital when you're out there pushing your limits. Like the previous one, it shares a high rating of 4.6 stars from thousands of reviews. Some buyers have pointed out that it might not hold up as long as some heavier shirts. However, if you're looking for something lightweight and breathable for warmer days, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a shirt that won't weigh you down. Skip it if you prefer a more durable fabric. For $18.75, it's an economical choice that doesn't skimp on comfort. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, Havsila Running Shirt. The next contender is the Havsila 1 5-pack running shirts, priced at $17.99. This shirt really caught my attention because it combines affordability with functionality. If you're after a quick-drying shirt that won't break the bank, this is worth considering. Made from a lightweight material, it offers excellent breathability, which is crucial when you're sweating it out on the track. Plus, it's got moisture-wicking technology that keeps you dry and comfortable. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 4,000 reviews, it has gained popularity for its performance. Some users did mention that the sizing can be a bit off, so be sure to check the size chart carefully. But I'll be real with you, if you find the right fit, you're getting a lot for your money. This is perfect for you if you want multiple shirts for varying occasions like casual wear and sports. Skip this if you're looking for something with a more fitted design. At $17.99, it's a great value, especially for a pack. Now, if you're still not sure about the fit, the next shirt might suit you better. Product number 5, Havsila pack of running shirts. Lastly, we have another option from Havsila, the 5-pack running shirts, also priced at $17.99. This one is designed for those who want variety without spending a fortune. If you want to stock up on shirts that are easy to wear for workouts, this is an excellent choice. Like the previous Havsila shirt, they are made with moisture-wicking technology to keep you dry during exercise. Plus, the lightweight fabric is perfect for those hot days when you need something cool against your skin. The loose-fit design allows for unrestricted movement, which is great for any activity. With around 4,000 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's popular among users. However, some do mention that the fabric may not be as durable as premium options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for everyday wear that you can replace easily, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want affordable options that don't skimp on performance. Skip this if you only want high-end fabrics. At $17.99 for a pack, it's an incredible value. So there you have it. We've covered the Snow Elf Muscle Shirt, Under Armour Tech 2, Havsila running shirts, and more. Each one offers something unique for different needs, whether it's style, comfort, or budget. If you're a serious runner, the Under Armour options might stand out, but if you're looking for value, Havsila has you covered. Choose what fits your style and comfort best.